That's right, friends. In this episode, I'm city slicking. I'm here today at M2 Graphix in the bustling city of Langford. We're gonna do a decnal horsepower mod. So we're gonna have like some decals all around the Jeep, and that should give me like an extra 100 horsepower to like keep up with Sean and the Trail Destroyer. That's basically what we're gonna do. Add some decals. Mike here is the proud owner of M2 Graphix, located in Langford. How do you like your job, Mike?
Currently, not a lot.
What, you don't like taking ease off a Jeep?
Well, somebody got paid a lot of money to put the double-sided tape on these eaves.
So Mike's gonna be the one taking care of my Jeep being wrapped today. I'm sure he's gonna do a good job because it's his name on the company. So the Land Cruiser was more of a, I guess, peacocking, I would say. Too much color on that truck. Incognito look for the Jeep. So the idea is just like put some black highlights all around it, so it's black on white. Yin and yang. I guess that's where all the magic happens, eh, Mike?
This is one of the rooms where the magic happens. Yeah, this is one of the production rooms. So for this one piece, we decided to template this out rather than do it by hand. So we're gonna assemble them, pre-assemble them here.
The way Jeep did their logos, they actually used a screen printer to print on top of a red vinyl, which is apparently extremely difficult.
Yeah, and not cheap either.
No, so we're doing it the easy way and the cheap way, because I don't want to buy like a $2 million machine for Mike.
I would not mind that. Yeah, so we're gonna layer one piece over the other piece. And we've got these little squares to help us line everything up. So by using the squares and matching the squares, I can guarantee that.
That is the smartest thing I've seen all year.
You are easy to impress.
You have no idea. It's a trade secret. You can't actually watch this. I'm gonna have to like mosaic the whole thing. No retakes with Mike. He's a professional. Oh, Ethan, how many horsepowers will this upgrade give me?
Well, we're looking at about 10 horsepower a sticker, but with the weight that adds onto it, it'd probably be about 3 or 4, you know.
300 or 400 horsepower, I like it.
That's right, yeah.
Nice, my man. 300 horsepower has never looked so good. By the time my Jeep's done, I'll have more horsepower than Casey. I am going a more incognito approach with my vinyl wrap this time, but M2 Graphix can make your dreams come true. Just check out this 4xe Wrangler. I mean, that wrap is out of control. This is the best pry tool I've ever handled. Check that out. Just slide her down and press. I think it's gonna hire me. I gave Mike kind of a challenge. Because the Jeep has so many different contours of where I wanted the decals, nothing could be printed out to shape, so everything has to be done by hand.
Well, basically what we did is we kind of measured up the gap between the red and the black here, which is 5 mil, and then we lay out this red color first as one piece, and then we edge it out 5 millimeters in with knifeless tape and do it again.
Yeah, the back of the Jeep looks kind of bare because I didn't want Jeep to be put back in the middle here. Mike and I were talking, so we're actually gonna fill that space with the Jeep's name. I bet the anticipation's killing you guys right now. You think people are gonna be offended by this?
I don't think so.
I mean,
I think it's brilliant.
I'm making fun of myself, so I don't think anybody's gonna be offended by myself, right? And I'm not offended.
I'm not offended.
The Trail Cracker's born. If you guys need a vehicle wrapped and you're on the island, come see Mike at M2 Graphix.
Yes, please do.
Yeah, because he is a wizard with vinyls. Because you can buy this online, but you're never going to be able to put it on. Why is that?
Because trying to wrap a straight line around a curve never works.
Yeah, you're going to spend like $200 on a vinyl kit you bought online and screw up the first time and have to buy it again.
Come see me anyway.
Yeah, so just save the time and money and come see Mike the first time. Let's go see what Malcolm thinks of my super cool wrap job. Dude. No, dude, it's the trail cracker. Just look how awesome this decal turned out. Isn't that great?
That's horrible.
You're just
I mean,
jealous.
that's great.
Whatever, your truck's nickname's the Trail Whacker.
Yeah, it's kind of the trail cracker. Should be the trail slacker.
Ah, you're just jealous. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Malcolm likes what I did with my Jeep, yeah?
Oh, it looks great.
Yeah, so if you want to see more trail cracker action,
Trail cracker action.
hit that subscribe button.
Trail craction.
Trail. And now a word from my sponsor.
Charity Car Show is back for another year, and we learned a lot from our first show. So we're making this year bigger and better than ever. It's taking place on September 10th, starting at 8 a.m., and it's open to all makes and models as long as they are fast, fun, or loud. All proceeds are going to the Variety Children's Charity, and it is being held right here on the tarmac at Boundary Bay Airport. Vehicle entry starts at 8.
Sean from The Story Till Now, Casey 250, and Teddy from Unwinding Roads will be there. We will have a 50-50 draw. Food trucks like Pork Mafia, Fuzzy Pickles, and Carla's Mexican Food, a bouncy castle for the kids, and much more, including a demon-powered gladiator and a Hellcat Jeep to drool over. Plus, our partners, Epic Adventure Outfitters, Modular Racks, and Splashes will be giving away great prizes such as a worn winch, ceramic coat, and much more.
The Fast, Fun, and Loud Car Show will be a great event that gives back to the Variety Children's Charity of British Columbia. Click the link below or scan the QR code to my left or right, and we can't wait to see you there.
And that's right, I'll be the guest MC. Plus, you need to be there anyways, because you'll get to meet Sean, Casey, and the rest of the gang, like Teddy, and other people that you want to meet. See you there.